Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create starlight effect in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. Use pen bucket tool, black, create a new layer, choose the brush tool, press increase the size, increase or decrease, press enter. White color, press Ctrl T on your mouse. Press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl T, use for only manually. Hold shift, then move. Again press Ctrl Z, press Ctrl T, hold shift, and again apply the same process. Hold shift, close. Then again create a new layer. Increase or decrease brush size. Opacity. Hold shift, press Ctrl Z, again hold Ctrl align middle. Okay. Again press Ctrl Z. Added glow effect, outer glow effects. Then choose your glow effect color, white, yellow, blue, liner dots. Increase or decrease the size, opacity. Then press Ctrl T again, hold shift, increase the size, hold Alt key or press Ctrl Z or duplicate layer.
Is again create a new layer. Polygon tool. Use the 5 example is 5 stars. Then draw anywhere. Added glow, outer glow. Increase or decrease opacity. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.